Hello everyone, you are watching another episode of Uzbek Tales, and as usual I'm your host Vigani Boy Matov. In this episode, guys, I'll show you one of the beautiful piece of architecture. Here I am in a Dustabad city, approximately 60 kilometers away from the Tashkent. Let's go! Guys, here we are. I'll open the door. This is the place which I will show you today. This is the St. Покровский women's monastery, guys. See how it's beautiful. Whoa. And the history of monastery starts, from the long time ago when the Russian Empire occupied these places, Turkestan. So these places were like a very wild places, and that time in the Russian army they were serving like I think 20 or 25 years, and whoever served those period they got the land, all the soldiers. So that's why this place is called Soldatskое. Farmer name is Soldatskое, which means military man or the military service. So that's why this place called Soldatskое. They got the land from here, and those lands were very wild. Even the Turan tigers were living here, but now they are destroyed. So they built one of the first Orthodox church here, and this is the one, but it's right now the first church is destroyed. So I think it was built approximately 1870s, maybe, yes, maybe a little bit later. So the first, not the first, last abbess was here, Igumenia Manefa Karavaeva. You see, she was born 1948 and she just passed away 2019. So she served here like I think more than 20 years, and this is her tombstone. And now, guys, I'll show you inside. So this place built was like 1870s, then only 1917 I think it started to functioning, but after that time it was closed again, and 1933 it was destroyed totally, because that time it was a part of Soviet Union, and the Soviet Union, guys, everybody knows, were against any kind of religion. So this place also, church also, was destroyed. But 1942 they reopened again, because 1942 everybody knows that time it was a very hot period of Second World War, and Stalin, to win the people's belief, so he just give permission to open some mosques and churches. So one of the church was this one which reopened, but it didn't got the this kind of building until now. So 1998 this building was built, but there was some renovation after that, and now we will go inside. So here some nuns also living, I think, I didn't count it, so approximately 25. Some of them are old, some of them are still young, and some of them are now they went to work. They are working also over there. They got the field, and now we'll go inside. Okay, guys, this is the St. Покровский women's monastery. Now they are preparing for the service. So after like a few minutes, the service will start. See, guys, how beautiful is the just look at the oldest church. This is the Jacob's mother, one of the very famous stories in the Bible. When there is some holidays, Orthodox Church holidays, there will be like 300 visitors. People are here and they're coming, they're praying here. This is the beautiful, yeah, just look, this one, it's so nice, real piece of architecture, very beautiful. This is the 12 apostles, I think, yeah. Wow. You have to come and see this one. See. Wow. Nice. Now, as I said, they're preparing for the service. People are start to come, see, they're coming right now. They will sit here. Yeah. Very beautiful. Very huge. Okay, now we'll go downstairs. We'll go downstairs and yeah, again, see? Again, floral patterns. Uzbekistan is a multi-confessional country. Here, Muslims and Christians are living together. So two religions coexist together. And everywhere, just this beautiful pictures, drawings. There is some icons over here. And here also. And this one also. Yeah. Wow. I don't know who drew this one, but he's very, very talented. Yep. Wow. Nice. There is some icons again. Here's some here, this is Varvara. Георгий Победоносец, Федор Ушаков. Okay. Books, Bibles here. Angel Hallelujah. Okay. This is one of the ancient icons also here. Yep. So guys, this is the one which I tried to show you this. And now I'll go outside. I'll show you from outside. Let's go. So, see, people are living here. Nuns, they are, all of them have a different stories. Most of them, they lost their faith, but they found it here. See, and this is just next to the main road. Yeah. Today is a Sunday and there will be service. Yeah, so huge, so big. Nice. They have huge yard, see? And I think this is the water tower or something here. Can get water here, I think. This is the place. So guys, this is the one of the unknown locations in Uzbekistan, in Dustabad city. In Dustabad city, guys, I'll show you one of the St. Покровский women's monastery, and there is a very famous and talented artist, Bakhtiyar Yusupov. So a lot of people are coming to this real piece of architecture and Bakhtiyar Yusupov works. Okay guys, I think this is enough for today. Yes. So guys, if you like this episode, just thumbs up, just hit the bell icon for the new episodes, and hit the like button, of course, and any comments, and please just share this video with everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.